Hi, this is Leah Schaefer on behalf of Expert Village, and today I'm going to show you how to cook with the Dutch oven. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and grease the Dutch oven so that the bread doesn't stick. Now you'll see on the outside it's kind of shiny. Even though it's cast iron, it has a little bit of a protective coating. See, anytime we're not using it, we have to make sure that we grease the outside so that it doesn't rust. So you'll see it's just a little bit, that's why it's kind of hard to work with the Dutch oven if you don't want to get your hands dirty, but it's pretty much always going to be oily and kind of have a residue that's going to come off on you. You have to keep it oiled. So we'll go ahead and oil the inside now. I'm just going to start with about a tablespoon, we don't want to go overboard, of oil, and then we'll just take a paper towel and rub it around. Now between cookings, you're going to want to keep it oiled anyway, so this should already have a nice kind of protective coating. Again, if we don't oil the inside, it's going to rust. So we will just spread that around really good, and this is going to help prevent it from sticking. Now I know it looks like, using an old cast iron pot like this, everything is just going to stick to it. But as long as we keep it oiled, it's going to have a really good surface that nothing's going to stick to. So we'll just rub that around and make sure we didn't miss any spots. And that looks good.